Make these 5 investments in 2022, never work again. High yield savings accounts. High yield savings accounts keep your money liquid, while generating a little return, although they rarely keep pace with inflation. This is one of the best places to park cash you need to access quickly, such as your emergency fund. Plus, there is close to no risk as you can get, as reputable accounts are FDIC insured up to $250,000. Certificates of deposit, CDs. If you don't need to access your savings in a hurry and want to capture a little more growth, a CD may do the trick. These accounts are issued by banks at a higher fixed interest rate than most savings accounts. They also enjoy FDIC insurance protection, making them ideal for risk-averse investors who want to minimize the eroding power of inflation. Generally, CDs are considered short-term to medium-term investments. Once you put your money in, you can't access it without penalty until the maturity date, which ranges from 6 months to 5 years. As such, you shouldn't invest any funds you'll need in the foreseeable future. I-bonds. I-bonds are a type of government debt issued by the U.S. Treasury. Unlike traditional savings bonds, I-bonds adjust their interest rate every 6 months to keep pace with inflation, making them hands down one of the best types of investments in 2022's inflationary environment. That said, I-bonds do come with limitations. To start, you have to hold them for at least 5 years to keep all the interest you earn. And you can only purchase $10,000 worth per year, though you can put an additional $5,000 of your tax refund into I-bonds. Index funds. Index funds are investments that track various indexes in general composition and returns. Index funds specialize in specific sectors or industries, allowing you to add exposure to areas of interest. Index funds come with perks like high diversity, low expense ratios, fees, and ease of access for individual investors. You can buy funds that trade as either ETFs or mutual funds. Most brokerage and retirement accounts allow you to invest in index funds with just a few bucks. Other exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Exchange-traded funds are similar to index funds in that they invest in a large basket of securities. Then, they package their investments into individual shares that trade on an exchange just like a regular stock. Many ETFs buy into a particular index, sector, or commodity, allowing investors to specialize a portion of their portfolio. ETFs share several perks with index funds, including their low costs and easy portfolio diversification. Plus, many ETFs come with greater tax efficiency than hand-picking individual securities. And most retirement and brokerage accounts permit ETF trading, making them readily accessible to investors of all stripes.